Hello, we are from Group 1, and today we are gonna tell you about how we make our rabbit pellet. First of all, most manufactured for small pets are sold as complete diets. In other words, this diet is formulated in such a way so that it can be the sole source of nutrition. As for rabbit, they are unique because they are efficient calcium absorbers and excrete excess calcium in their urine. So for this reason, we need to take into account for the nutrient requirement for this animal. Various ingredients are mixed together so that a diet contains the correct amount of protein, fat, fiber, vitamins, and mineral that required for optimal health. We have two learning objectives here. First, to make animal pellet in laboratory, and the second one is to learn the method of making pellet in laboratory scale.
First, we calculate the portion of each nutrient, and then we use Pearson's square method to find the percentage for some ingredients. From the percentage, we use it to calculate the weight of the ingredients. From all of the calculation, we are able to find the weight of our ingredients.
Based on the calculation above, the total weight of our pellet for rabbit is 1 kg. The weight for the protein source, the safflower meal and plantain peel are 48.44 gram and 131.55 gram respectively. The weight for the carbohydrate source, the Timothy hay and oat hay, are 196.75 gram and 53.25 gram respectively. The weight of the binder, the sugarcane molasses, is only 25 gram. The rest of the chosen ingredients, carrots, pineapple and cucumber, are all 100.67 gram. So with all the ingredients total up will become 1 kilogram. Our pellet for rabbit feed is supposed to be ideal as we comply the needs for the protein and carbohydrate. The ingredients which are carrot, cucumber and pineapple are higher in weight compared to the others. However, it is not affect the pellet as much as their nutritional value is low in protein and carbohydrate, but high in vitamins and minerals. One of the ingredients is safflower meal. We use 48.44 gram of safflower meal in our pellet. We use these ingredients because it is used extensively in rabbit feed in Mexico in place of soybean meal. Next, studies have shown that safflower seed-based meals are as productive as meals based on other seeds such as soybean and flaxseed. Next, safflower can be preferred meal based over alfalfa, but of additional interest is that it's used primarily to increase protein and reduce fiber. Lastly, safflower oil in rabbit diet had a profoundly positive effect on rabbit cholesterol levels. Next, one of the ingredients is cucumber. Cucumber is full of nutrients. In just a single cup of cucumber slice, we will get 40% to 90% of vitamin K. In cucumber too, we will get vitamins B and C along with minerals like copper, phosphorus, potassium and magnesium.
Timothy hay is common source of forage that used in rabbit. Timothy hay contain 40% of crude protein, 2.6% of crude fat and 34% of crude fiber. Our next ingredient is carrot, which is contain 40% of vitamin A and also rich in mineral and fiber.
Oat hay is a good source of fiber that can prevent gastrointestinal static. It also has high vitamin A, high magnesium and low calcium that is good for a rabbit. As for molasses, we use it in small quantities and to increase the feed palatability.
Pineapple, which is contains 79% of vitamin C and also rich in mineral and fiber. Dry plantain peel contains of 0.96% of calcium and 0.32% of phosphorus and also rich in protein and fiber. As a conclusion, an adult rabbit needed 18% of protein. By using diet formulation of Pearson's square method, we will be able to obtain the percentage requirement in our rabbit pellet for each material. Even though we cannot perform and make the real rabbit pellets, but we still able to envision the method by referring the video provided by lecturer and also other resources. Our group has tested the safe food of rabbit to ensure we did not upset the rabbit digestive system. That's all from us. Thank you.